Hey everybody, Professor Lawrence here. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to do some research in the library databases. Your assignment this week is the persuasion essay, where you need to write a 3-paragraph essay using ethos, pathos, and logos, which I hope you remember what those all mean. To defend your point of view. So you're going to want to look at opposing viewpoints or different perspectives on your topic. So I'll just show you the database that you can use. It's called Points of View Resource Center. Sorry, Points of View Reference Center. So from the Goodwin homepage, click on Library. And then you'll see this. It looks familiar. Last week you did the single search. This week you're going to go into databases, click on that. And then from here you can click on this tab, databases A through Z, and that will open a whole other window. And in that window you'll see A through Z, a list of 62 databases, but you don't have to worry about all of them. You can go to this one that I just mentioned, just click on the P, and that will get it to the top here, Points of View Reference Center. Click on that. And that will open another window. And once you have that window open, it will default the cursor to this search box. So you can type your search term in there, or if you just go down here, you can browse by category. So some of these have full categories. I think one of you is doing your master topic on animal experimentation. So if you click on that, it will open up a whole section with a summary. It's an overview on the issue. And this will explain the history, questions regarding the topic, and then the controversial points, people in favor of it, people opposed to it. And that's really what you want to think about for your essay this week, is that point of view, taking your position on the issue and being able to defend it with evidence. So I'm going to go back to that main search. So you can play around, look around there, see if there's anything that relates to your topic, or to make it easier, you can just click your search term. So one of you is doing a master topic on eugenics, which is a controversial issue. So if you just type eugenics in the search, click search, then it will pull up any results in all of those databases related to eugenics. You can see some of them start with the word point and then keep scrolling. Some say counterpoint. So those might be the 2 points, the 2 sides of the issue. So this first one says sex selection and other reproductive technologies empower prospective parents. So in this case, it looks like they're in favor of eugenics. But then if you look at this other one, counterpoint, sex selection and cosmetic genetics raise serious moral and ethical concerns. So that's going to get into some potentially negative ramifications of selecting genes and manipulating people's genetics. So that just shows how you can find pretty much any topic. I plugged in a lot of your topics, the master topics that you've selected, into the search box, and everything you can pretty much find an opposing point of view, even some that may not be so obvious. Like one of you is doing a very specific master topic, the Webb telescope, and you might say, well, what's so controversial about that? What is the opposing point of view to a telescope? Well, you'll see there's history, there's explanations of how it works and things like that. But then you might get to this one, number 5, the James Webb Space Telescope technical challenges have caused schedule strain and may increase costs. So the opposite point of view might be that the costs are too high for the benefits. So you really want to play around with that depending on what your topic is. So I hope that gives you an idea of what is available to you on this database. Remember, again, it's Points of View Reference Center. Good luck with your research this week. Have some fun. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Bye for now.